Hey guys, Tyler with American Wrap Company here. This week's a little bit shorter of a week thanks to the month of freedom, 4th of July. So we had Monday off. We're gonna do things a little different for this week's weekly video. I'm gonna kind of run you guys through some of the projects we have in the shop. Behind me is a 1973 BMW 2002. This is for one of our really good customers. He has a ginormous collection of cars. This car is actually up for sale. Check it out if you want to buy it. We're going to be doing the full front paint protection film package on this car. He's just kind of looking for some daily driver protection. Most of his cars, we do a full car wrap and a Clearplex windshield skin, but this one, he just wants to keep it simple because it is for sale. So we're not going to be touching this one this week, but probably in the next week or two, you'll see it on the weekly video getting film done. Over here, we have a 2021 Mazda Miata. Pretty cool little cars. A little slow in my opinion, but they're cool. Pablo's over there heating and wrapping edges. He's doing a level 4 full car wrap. So every square inch of the car is getting covered. We're also going to be doing S-Tech dark smoke on all the reflectors. And then we're also going to be doing paint protection film on these interior pieces because this area is really prone to getting scratched up. We actually have a few customers running around with these cars that we've done full body wraps on. And that was definitely an area that they like to cover. So we'll be doing that. It looks like all he has left to do is the rear bumper, those interior pieces, door sills, black out the reflectors. So just some small stuff left. Over here, we've got a 2021 Escalade. You guys will see the feature video on that. We got Ricky on this side of the truck, heating and wrapping edges. Johnny's on the other side, heating and wrapping edges. The wheels are out to powder coat. Hopefully have those back tomorrow, Friday. Put it all back together. Couple pieces left to wrap on that. We got to do the rear bumper, fenders, front bumper, headlights, grille, interior pieces, door sills. So the guys will be working all day getting that knocked out.